Question 23. ABC is a right-angled triangle. Work out the size of angle ABC. Give your answer correct to one decimal place. So the angle ABC is formed from the line from A to B to C. So it's this angle here. You're told it's a right-angled triangle. So you can use SOHCAHTOA. You may have a different way of remembering this, but SOHCAHTOA is a common way. This is going to tell you whether you need to use sine, cos or tan on your calculator. This is the angle I've wished to work out. This side is the hypotenuse because it's the longest side and the side that doesn't form the right angle, it's opposite the right angle. And this is the adjacent because it's next to the angle I'm trying to work out. This would be the opposite, clues in the name there. It's opposite the angle I want to work out. I don't have a measurement for this one, so I won't be using this length. I will be using the adjacent and the hypotenuse. If I go through and tick the adjacents and the hypotenuse, you can see this is the one I'm going to use. If I try and use tan or sine, I don't have the opposite. I won't be able to type it into my calculator. So the cos of the angle, if I just put an x there, the cos of x is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, which is going to be 7 divided by 11. Now, when I type in 7 divided by 11 into my calculator, it does not know I wish to work out an angle. The way to tell it is to use the cos to the minus 1, the inverse cos button. Then if I do cos to the minus 1 in brackets 7 divided by 11, and I make sure my calculator is in degrees, I will get the correct answer, which is 56.0875596. The question says go to one decimal place, so I want one number after the decimal point, and that's going to be 56.1 because this 8 here rounds up. So my answer, 56.1 degrees. The length of the side AB is reduced by 1 centimetre. The length of BC is still 7, angle still the same. Will the value of cos ABC increase or decrease? Now a minute ago, when we worked at the cosine, we worked at the cos. The cosine is 7 divided by 11. Let me just check. So AB is reduced by 1. So instead of being 7 over 11, that 11 is going to go to 10. So when AB is reduced by 1, my sum for the cos of ABC is going to be 7 over 10. Well, 7 over 10 is greater than 7 over 11. So the value of cos ABC will increase. Notice it doesn't ask you about the size of the angle, it's asking you about the value of the cosine of ABC.